Hey love bugs, welcome or welcome back. If you're tuning in for the first time, I'm Ashley Bedeck. Today I've teamed up with UNice and they sent over this beautiful 26-inch pre-everything bust down middle part wig. I kept the bust down middle part. I did a nice, simple and easy glueless install with a little bit of micro baby hair to set it off. So for this one, it was a really easy, straight out of the box 10-minute install, and this was the results. Nice, full, it's giving silk press vibes, super long. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Be sure to check this one out. Of course, there's a direct link down below. And without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay, ladies, happy hump day. It is Wednesday, hump day, halfway through the week. And here we are with a wig from UNice, and we are going bust down middle part. So yeah, we're going bust down middle part, nice and silky. This is a UNice wig, so I have no fear that this is going to look flawless, and it's gonna be super simple and easy to do a quick and easy 10-minute install. What they sent me over is a 7x5 by knots lace wig, and she is 26 inches in length. So we are giving a length, we're giving inches today. 22 is my go-to, but when I want a little extra, 26 is like yes. So this is what the hairline looks like. A part of that by knots pre-everything situation, the lace is pre-cut, and they do give you that scallop cut. The knots are pre-bleached, and then the hairline is pre-plucked. Here is a look at that closure in the inside, 7 inches of parting space going backwards. It's gonna fit glueless because technically it is a closure. Here's a great look at the nape. You guys have that little gummy technology, and then you also have an adjustable removable elastic band. So let's go ahead and adjust the straps. If you want to take this out, like if you don't like these, you can. This kind of helps the wig to fit and hug your head a little bit more glueless. We're gonna put her on and we're gonna quickly breeze through this install because it's gonna be super simple and easy. Ooh la la. Let me push you guys back. So this is what she looks like on. This is the length on this one. Absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. I'm not sure if that light is going to be crazy. It's nice and full, and this is how it's gonna sit on. Since it's a bust down middle part and it's long, I don't feel the desire or need to add curls. But for a fun, flirty date night, it would be good to do a little bit of layer in the front to like have face framing layers and then go down. We'll see. And then this is what she looks like from the back. Lengthwise, she goes to the middle of my butt. Of course, there's a part of me that wants to add some curls for the fun, flirty date night look, but I feel like the way this one is just gonna hang and just kiss my booty, if you will, I think it's gonna be awesome. So because this is a closure, this is how the hairline sits. The hairline is nicely pre-plucked. You go ahead and do the dynamic duo up here, and it's gonna look super snatched. You can definitely go in and customize if you like, but the one thing is that obviously you can see the sideburns, so you want to go ahead and clean those up. I've been letting this one sit out so you guys can see it looks a little crusty. Make sure you're putting your lid on your edge controls because day 1, day 2 be cool, but they get a little bit crusty. Also, you guys know I have my own edge control from Bedeck Beauty. I kind of gave it a break because I used it every day for like what, 3 years straight, but products like this makes me miss mine because mine just like snatches the edges. You guys remember I can apply mine to my edges and I could go like this and like they would be so sleek and laid that maybe it's time for me to pull it back out for the winter and fall seasons because you gotta actually brush these other edge controls back. Mine, you can just use your finger like that, laid. Okay, so now that the hairline is cleaned up, I kind of want to give big forehead a little bit, and I kind of want to do no baby hair. So lately, the Maybelline Fit Me has been my favorite because it's still like a skin-like tan, but it's like lighter, like a scalp-like appearance. And because this is just a foundation powder, sometimes it is nice to just go ahead and apply it in, like before you even start anything else, because if it's the wrong shade, you'll easily be able to go in and kind of like blend this out and modify with something different. But so far I kind of like that. I'm sure I'll have to add a little bit more. And then for the hairline, look at how good that looks. We can go powder or we can go cream. I've been liking cream lately to just make things blend, and I have so many of these. I'm trying to find the darkest shade. This is my darkest shade, 16. They may carry 1 or 2 shades darker than this, but I think this might be the darkest shade, and I'm literally gonna go in. It's a cream foundation palette. I'm gonna take that really dark one and kind of like tiptoe around the hairline to see what happens. The goal is to make the hairline disappear and to just look like skin. Here's a quick before and after. We haven't melted the lace. I just kind of want you to see what we're doing. Now the hairline is all tinted. I think this looks good, but I want it to look a little bit more melted. So let's push it back. Add a little bit of that product. Lay the lace over top. Kind of work it in. And I almost feel like that lace tint was a little bit dark. Like I went for a shade 16. I could have did a 15 because my summer tan is going away. It might be getting like a little too dark, if you will. Okay, we want a little baby hair. So I'm going to do a little, just a little slight baby hair in the Dynamic Duo. And then we should be able to head out from there. The Dynamic Duo really nicely, very demure. I'm already sick of that phrase, and it's only been like what, 2 weeks, but this is what it looks like. As you guys can see, it is demure. It is like very, I did some micro baby hair along the hairline. Now we could go ahead and like melt the lace, but I have to go, so I'm gonna just do a quick run through with the hot comb, or not the hot comb, the flat iron. I'm not gonna add anything just because this is straight hair, and I do find straight hair easily will look oily. So you guys can see it has a natural sheen to it. It's nice and full. It's not like peekaboo see-through hair. Always want to make sure you kind of go under. And if you do find that you have frizz, or you just wanted to have like something, I prefer like a silkening mist or like a heat protectant where it's not like oil based like a serum would be. And if you do a serum, do like a dime amount, like a pea size amount. This here is the look. It is 10:57. I am supposed to be pulling into the restaurant right now, but you know. Okay, so we are done with the look. All of my nails are popping off, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the rest and do a fresh set later. But this is the look. I changed my clothes and put on my lotion, and I put the milk belt on while I did so. And this is what the hairline looks like. Absolutely flawless. And this still is a glueless install, so just with a little bit of water, it'll come right up. It's super nice, long, and full without being too heavy. And this is the hair from the back. Also, before we go, I'm gonna show you guys the packaging. You guys know I love this beautiful color with UNice, and everything is kind of like monochromatic. So we got the dust bag, really nice like fuchsia color, super nice. They gave us a robe. I love when you get these really nice robes. And then we also got the melt belt that matches really nicely. So this works as a really cute set, especially when you are traveling. And then we got not one but 2 packs of the UNice HD wig caps, and these are private label, so you can only get them with UNice. And then we got some wig tape, and there's quite a few actually strips of the wig tape in here, and you can use this to bond your wig down. Super nice. This is especially good for like travel and when you're going to be away. And last but most certainly not least, we did get some press-on nails, and that is pretty much it, love bugs. I have on this really nice dress from, I think I got this from Zara. If it's still available, I'll have it linked down below. And then for fragrance, I'm gonna go with my husband's scent. This is Jerga Herba Pura. Nice and sweet. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna head out. I'll have a link as well as all the details down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. And as always, I'll see you in the next one. Smooches.